everybody. I hope that you are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. I wanted to share with you guys the Thanksgiving treats that I did for the kids at school. You guys saw me put together a little bit of this on my video a couple days ago, but I just wanted to show you guys how everything turned out. So here's the little bags. These came from My Paper Pumpkin, and I just took I followed the directions pretty closely this time. Sometimes I don't, I'll do my own thing. But for these bags, I just did pretty much what they said. It just says, thankful for friends like you, and there's a little tag, and I did the ribbon on there. And then this is tissue paper inside, and then inside is the tiny candle that I got from the Target dollar spot. So the two ladies in the office, I'm giving the two little candles to, and this is the card that goes with it. For the card, I kept it really simple as well. The wreath was already printed on the card, and all I did was stamp Happy Thanksgiving on a little flag, and then I added the little sequence, and then I wrote inside the card. So this will be for, and these fall off really easily, you guys, these sequins. They were in this Paper Pumpkin kit, all the gold sequins. So I'll just put this in here, and then I'll tuck this in the bag. And this will be for the two ladies in the office. Their cards fit right in there. The other candles that I stuck in here are these Ray Dunn candles. Right now I have this one that has all my paintbrushes in it. After the candle burned out, I just cleaned it out, and then I reused this. But this is the size of the candle that I put in the other bags, and it is quite big for the bag, but it worked okay. But the card didn't fit inside the bag, so I just set the card up on top of the tissue paper. But this was the size candle. These are, I think, around $7.99, and you can get them at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and they are such a great gift. And then, like I said, when I got done burning this candle, I just cleaned it out, and then I actually am using it here in my office for all my paintbrushes, and that works out well. The other small gift I put together is this one right here. Now, you guys saw me do this 10 several weeks ago. I'll stick a card right up here of this project where I put the 10 together. I had this sitting around. I hadn't used it for anything yet. And so what I did is inside there is a little bottle of essential oil. This particular teacher I know uses essential oils, and so I stuck a little essential oil in there. It is an immunity essential oil, which I thought was fitting for this time of the year. So I just have that in a little plastic bag because I have chocolates all inside, and I like getting these kinds of chocolate, these Andes. You can get the green ones and the red ones. You can get the red ones around this time of the year. So I just have that inside, and then I'll have a card, and I'll give this to that teacher for Thanksgiving, and they're just a little Thanksgiving gift. I wanted to bake cookies, but I never got around to it. So this will be totally fine. They'll appreciate it and like these, and that is what I will give to the teachers. I will have given them to the teachers on Tuesday because that's our last day of school. So we'll give them little gifts, and it'll be great. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I just wanted to share with you these two little gifts. I hope you're having a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll be back tomorrow to walk you through some of my December daily albums and sharing with you what I'll be doing this year. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.